Good morning, students. I am your English teacher Irshad. Today, I have to teach you how to write notice. Notice is beneficial for you all students for your examination point of view because it is related to your school syllabus. And for writing notice, you have to follow its format. Notice is always written under 50 words. You have not to cross the 50 words. If you will cross 50 words, then your notice will be invalid and you will be given very less marks. Again, notice is always written in the box. Either before writing notice, you draw a box, or after writing a notice, you can put your notice in the box. So it depends upon you that what you are going to apply. Here, with the help of one question, I would like to make you understand about notice. So you all students must concentrate your mind towards the question, and then after that I will make you understand. So now you all listen to me. Question. Here question is like this. Your school is going to organize an exhibition on COVID-19 in the month of July 2020 AD. Full stop. You are Raja or Radhika, the head boy or girl of your class. Full stop. Inform all the students about the same event, writing on notice. Full stop. Word limit 50 words. Now its answer is like this. So here, before writing notice, box has been already drawn, and inside the box its content has been written. So now listen to me carefully. So inside the box, in the middle of the box, on the top, here the name of institution is written. Under the name of institution, the location of the institution is written. Location has been written here, and you have to leave a gap. Then after that, on left side you have to write date. Again you have to give a gap, and you have to write notice word in capital letter, in bold letter, and also with underline. Again you have to leave a gap. Then after you have to write the subject of the notice. So here subject has been written with underline. Again you have to leave a gap. Then after you have to start to write the content. So here content has been written, and after the completion of content, once again you have to leave a gap. Then after that you have to write name, which is already given in the question, and under name you have to write designation also. Name and designation must be written from the question. You have not to write your own name and your own designation. Otherwise, your marks will be deducted. So must be careful about this. So now come to the answer. The Jaipur Public School, Maripur, Muzaffarpur, 5th of May 2020. Notice exhibition on COVID-19. This is to be informed to all the students of class 7 or 8 or 9 or 10 or 11, 12, like this, that our school is going to organize an exhibition on COVID-19 in the month of July 2020 AD. in the campus of a school, full stop. Interested students must make their registration under the class teacher, Mr. or Mrs. Here the name of the teacher must be written. By, here the date must be written 2020 AD, full stop. Raja or Radhika, head boy or head girl. Here notice has been completed, so you all students must be careful that after writing notice you have to put your notice in the box. Students, you must learn this notice writing very carefully, read this very carefully and learn this carefully, and you should also try to practice from the book. If you have any question, you are free to ask me, and also if you have practice book, then from that very practice book you write notice and send to me. I will check your notice writing and I will tell you where is mistake. So this is from my side for today. Thank you.